While artificial intelligence chips process massive amounts of data, autonomous drones, robotic fleets, and self-driving defense systems are completely paralyzed without continuous, error-free wireless connectivity. An AI engine can calculate complex decisions in milliseconds, but transmitting those commands across crowded, noisy airwaves requires next-gen RF components, specifically high-precision crystal oscillators and sharp crystal filters. High-stability crystal oscillators provide microsecond timing synchronization across fifth-generation networks and robotic sensors, while advanced crystal filters slice away surrounding electronic noise, isolating critical data frequencies. By guaranteeing clean, uninterrupted signal transmission, these foundational components allow artificial intelligence to operate safely and reliably across fifth-generation infrastructure, autonomous machinery, and defense platforms. Power your autonomous systems and secure your RF signal chain by sourcing our next-generation crystal oscillators and filters at dynamicengineers.com.